Alright, this is just going to be a really quick and dirty follow-up to the motherboard repair video. So some people pointed out that it looked as if this jumper wire was shorting out to this via here, and I have looked into stuff and it is damn close, but if we beat that, we do not have a connection. However, that's a bit closer than I'd like, because there's basically just a layer of flux between the two vias, so I'm just going to rework that to make sure there's no risk of anything going wrong. Let's just I've lost my flux. That's my flux. I need to get some better flux. And we'll just hold that down. Oh god, that's disgusting. Right, so we'll hold that down and that doesn't want to go away, does it? Odd. Perhaps it's the wire and not the solder that's actually going that close to the via. There we go. That's stuck down on there nice and tight. So there we go. Catastrophe avoided. Thank you for watching. Cheerio. Bye.